ये जो अलग अलग ये अलग ऐसे भाई का होता है क्या लास्ट बहुत सही भाई a plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 का तो कुछ करना मैं ऐसे पूछ रहा हूँ देखो अगर वो नहीं आए उसको भी तो बात करना है तो दो ऐसे पॉडकास्ट दिखना है देखो नहीं opportunity miss नहीं ये आंसर सर ने तो वाइट वाला है ना के साथ को लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं पहले 4 पॉइंट हां वही लगा अरे डी अरे टीवी चलो थोड़ा लगा भी देते हैं पावर सीक्रेट ऑफ माइंड ये हो गया कुछ होता तो है अरे उसमें देखो हाई बोला बहुत देखा भी सब उसके अपनी क्लास के लेवल
No, sir. Tomorrow is busy. Good morning to you all. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Look, so morning itself tired out. Sleeping then. Yes. Checking and not done.
Yes,
How are you? Let's sit down. This Sunday, what is
Coming Sunday.
Which topic? Which are programming में one factor is that building will guidelines. Okay. Copying is going.
No, sir. Actually, I'm changing my book. We're writing the formulas.
Homework development. Who is using the homework? Shivangi, homework is there. Rolana, nobody is there.
only one question.
You did not say.
Yes, sir. Why not any rest now?
Coming late, then the CPT will come late, you are coming also late. That's okay, so alright, okay. You are not. She absent standards. Mean standard. No, look around and see. You have to yes, you have to. You don't know. You don't know. You don't know. Everyone is done. Check everyone. You guys will check the whole. The down all questions. How many questions? You done the homework? So that no problem. No. Where do you stay? Yes. Umira has done the homework. Ritu has done the homework. Copy paste. How do you know you have seen she's copy? Have you seen she's copying?
Yes, sir.
From whom?
Google.
Google. So you were in her house only.
No, sir. We copy.
How do you know?
So you can check.
You can check. So who all are copying? Tell me. Bolo. Anyway, you said no. What is the problem? What are you? You have everyone's problem, you know, no? Problems are there. Your problem is to solve, then others' problems are there. Okay? See, today all the problems have common. Parents, common done. Why? Why you ask them? Ask why you shall, I'll ask you. Why you got it? You know? Everyone's problem, you know. Why she go hospital, you know. You do not tell the Walla Google like to do the work.
Leave it.
Leave it. You don't have Google account? No. That's a problem, no?
I don't copy. If I'm not.
Formula and everything is done, na? Amit, you got this one and the this GST and banking. 6. The others are copied and got.
I didn't check out the marks.
So you can check others' marks. So you please don't blame others. You tell if anyone has seen, you tell. Okay. Anyone have you seen anyone is copying in the classroom? Who? So who? You tell the names, not only. Nobody will shout at you. You're scared of someone? Are you scared of someone?
No.
Then tell them. These people are copying. Otherwise, you're going to get the punishment. So you're okay now? Sure. 100,000 or again of this. Why you are asking? Still finding the reason. Now you have completely fine. Okay. You did the homework yourself. Stand up. Huh?
I did first question.
Only one question. All other questions. Who checked it not? Who is supposed to check it not?
He can say what should I do?
You should have said no, I have not checked the book.
And last time I told him
So he stayed back. Huh?
he had taken some.
Who has not put copy?
She took it away. Very
Huh?
nice.
That one was
Very
Just your book, you copy from your book. Rough work. And then copy over. No. So what time is that? 1 hour. Alison is section we are doing. Half full. So that you can put it. Standard. Another day, how when you during the lecture time only you did the work. You also copy. You also copy. Shruti copy. Today you are done. All. Okay, what was? How many questions? One question only done. One question left or one question done? Very good. Okay. Now, what is happening? Still your problem is not solved. Why are you standing? Why homework is not done?
I went to my relative's house.
Where is your relative's house? All parents are there somewhere now in Dubai or somewhere now. Then you are going to relative's house. They call. So then go and stay over there now. So today what you do? Stay back.
I'll finish and give it before.
During break, nobody will give him notebook. Say, he promised he never copies. You don't know.
I won't copy it.
And what to do? You tell me the question, one question here. So you will be after. Okay? It's not permanently. Next time, 5 times I'll make it.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Always keep out. See?
He went after the match.
Paris. Coming from where are you coming from Delhi? You're from where? You're walking distance only 10 minutes only now. Then what? Okay, 15 minutes. By rickshaw, how much time will be? 15 minutes. You are sleeping now. Homework is not done now.
Even then, sir, I was doing so dedicated.
So dedicatedly. So on the rickshaw. From where? You copied from Google.
No, sir.
Your friend said.
Friend is standing there, sir.
So this is not possible. Okay, who is supposed to check your homework? Who? She is doing the checking this one and you can have it. You know her name? Triya Ashwin. You know her name? Huh? You know her name? One time. You know his name? So what to do here? Read the question. What do you know? Arey, sit down now. Which chapter you are reading? Take that notebook, textbook in your hand. Stand straight. How to read loudly and properly.
How many terms are there in the series? 3 upon 4.
Three. How many terms? Okay. 3 upon 4.
1 by 4 and dot 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 and 3.
That is the first question here. Problem. Do you know what is the meaning of how many terms?
Yes.
What value is remainder? N. So what is the formula? Today again you stay back. Okay. It's not like now I cannot do a babysitting over here. And moreover, see, others are coming from science only. You are commerce, you don't have any class, you are sleeping at home. I'll call teller to call mother. It will be settled. I'll mark call mother. 10:30. Is that normal enough? So that's like my formula doesn't know. There is direct formula application only now. Then read another question, please. Let me give it only now.
Arithmetic progression, third term is 5 and 7 term 9.
These are basic questions. Complicated questions I can answer. Third term, you know what is the formula? Right? Okay, do you know how to find put the book, textbook down? Okay, do you know the formula for writing? Any formula which you learned in writing? Down.
T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2.
Then that's only one thing you know. Today, you know, after staying, completing the work, completing the study, with my permission, we going on. I will come ask all these things. You want me to hear the formula? Okay.
E plus n minus 1
Is what?
is equal to
N the term is denoted by what? Tn. Tell him. Tell once again, Tn is equal to. First time. Have you heard this formula? The other day we had this 10, 15 times we used this formula. What else? CPD is here. CPD one chair you give, okay, you'll sit over there for minutes. Next class onwards, you know, you how much time minutes late, that which then double the time you will stay by. Decided even afternoon also, okay, evening also. So what is the time now? 7:45. What is that? You check? 7:44. Means
7:40.
no.
So I was talking about
You talk whatever it is there, okay? 7:44 means you know 1 hour. Decided? You're okay now? Homework is done? Sure. Who's supposed to take the homework? You'll show later, no? Okay. Learn all the formula. Okay. If any problem is there, you tell me. I will explain it. You stand up. Yeah. Formula for finding nth term of an AP. Loudly speak. Are you speaking anything? Just one day.
Revising.
Revising. Okay, standard revise. Okay. Today you stay back and learn the formula, and you will give me the answers. Then only you go. Today also you are going to relate this house. Are you going to relate your homework now? So sit down. If you go, please open. So open the other thing. Okay, what is the standard? Homework done now? Okay, how do you find the nth term of an AP? Explain the terms.
A is the first term, n minus 1 is the number.
N minus 1 is the number of terms.
N
N minus 1 is n. N is number of terms, not n. times and order D is the TN. What is TN? N the term. Okay. Sit down. What's an AP? Preceding number can. Preceding number means we know what is the preceding number. Previous number. Each term is obtained by adding a fixed number. You don't need to remember that also. You tell the sequence. What is the table form maybe? Yeah, so you can tell a sequence of the form A plus D, A plus C and so on. Where A is the first term, D is the common difference. Sit down. Are you hearing these all? They also learn from the classroom. So you can also learn that. You are very good to know it. Other than studying, you are really good to study. Last example, what we will. So this 10 plus 10 also very good. Okay. How to, when sequence is given, how to check whether it's an AP or not? T2 minus T1 is enough. T2 minus T1 should be equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T4 minus T4 minus, you are complaining, you are not adding that. T4 minus T3 and so on. Now, okay, standard. How do you find the sum of n terms of an AP? No. Yes, maybe yes. I know maybe okay. N by 2. Repeat. It's a today break now. No. So right now from read the subject. Which subject? The formula to that sort of figure now. For a, yes. What is the formula for Sn?
N by 2 brackets 2a minus n minus 1 by 2.
You made a new formula? That's wrong.
N upon plus a plus n.
And so what he said is that the next.
N upon 2 a plus n minus 1 into. So minus n.
So my bad don't mean that my bad. Okay. So you made mistake now. Abhi, stand up. You go and wash your face and go. Somebody should carry you. Okay. What is the formula for Sn?
N by 2 into a n by 2 into a plus n minus 1.
You made any form? Daksham.
A plus n minus 1 into n minus 1.
Repeat.
N by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into.
So tell properly, okay, what is the second form is there? What is the second form?
The second formula is Sn equals to n by 2 a plus l.
A plus L. What is L means?
L means
L means. What do you mean by L? Tell past years. Already 20 minutes are over. What do you mean by L? Last time. How do you find out last time? Any formula for finding last time is there?
n minus 8 plus n minus 2.
Very good. L is equal. Loudly tell that they all are blaming that you don't study. And that's why here. L is equal to.
L is equal to a plus n minus 1 bracket b.
Times D. Okay, good. So you know the formula for Sn? Then are you going to do one only, one at a time? I was telling you when you started studying now. Huh? Start from there. Okay. Small things. Okay, small things only study. Okay. You know now. So then daily I will do only whatever time comes, stand over there. I will ask. Sit down. You know the formula, no? So, with SS.
Is that equals to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1.
Okay. You know the formula, no? Okay, what is tan square theta equal to? Doesn't know the formula?
Sir.
Actually, I did not ask the formula, no? Okay, this is the I did not ask, no? Standard. What is it? Pi r. Okay, what is quadratic formula? A square. Loudly, quadratic formula. It is better we can first we tell the formula that I know. You know? Huh? All of you need A square minus B. A square minus B. Surely. Surely, what is quadratic formula? आपको इनको लेना लो then keep down okay let's sit down what is the condition for equal roots I did not ask you real number I don't remember you know you sign that in the sheet. Okay, sit down. Today once in a twice, never learn, revise. Sunday test is there. In equations and formula test. Okay, homework exercise. Any questions you have? No? Yes. Third one is the doubt. Read the third one. Ishani, where is Ishani? Wow. Where is Sanskriti? He's also gone. Okay, read the question now. All of you be quiet now. Yeah.
The sum of the second term and the seventh term of the AB.
Sum of the second and seventh term of an AP is 30.
Yes.
Okay.
If its 15th term is 1 less than 5 of its 8th term.
15th term is 1 less than twice the 8th term. What do you have to find out? Find the 8. So these two conditions follow now?
Yes, sir.
Be quiet. That's 2 and minus.
Sir.
Now, do you know what is T2?
Yes.
Avni, you know what is T2? What is T2? A plus M. A plus D. And what is T7?
A plus 6D.
Therefore, you'll get as A plus D plus A plus 6D is equal to 30. That is 2A plus 7D is equal to 3301 condition. From here, you'll get as A plus 14D is equal to 2 times A plus 7D minus 1. Remaining, you can do it. Open the bracket and simplify. That is coming as A plus 14D is equal to 2A plus 14D minus 1. These two are cancelled. So 1 is equal to A. Substitute over here, you will get the value of D. So you got the AP now. Okay. Any other problem here? Doubts? Shivam, you have done this all? Homework was done. Tell your friends now, tell this. See, he's copying the formula. They're learning the formula. I'll ask after 5 minutes this formula. Okay. So we are doing which exercise? 10.3. One question I'll give from other chapter.
Yes.
Which chapter? Now will give or later? Now. Right now. Huh? Okay. Yeah. All of you be quiet now. Right. Sec A minus tan A. up to sec A minus tan A upon cosec A plus cot A upon cosec A plus cot A is equal to cosec A minus cot A divided by sec A plus tan A. Prove. Prove it. What are you searching for? Not page 2. No need to turn the pages and like the formula. If you don't know, don't do it. One by cosec A equals sec A equal to what is written on the board you have seen? A is which is in capitalized given means you write capitalized. Thanks. 80 pounds minus less than 80 second 1 by cosec A. Prasad, do fast. Sarkar looking at you. Srikanth, what's the answer? Who got last time? What's the answer? Prithvi, what's the answer? Answer. She got called girl, she got it on many as you know. Ready to catch it. Don't get it. No. Yes. Who got the answer? No one. Very good. Vidhu Sarkar announced no one. Yeah, all of you stop writing. All of you stop writing. One turn back to the formula. Now, half of the people doesn't know the formula. Quite a lot of people I have seen that sec A is equal to 1 upon cosec A. Sec A is equal to 1 upon what? Cosec. And tan A is equal to? And cosec A is equal to? Cot A is equal to? Cos A upon sin A. All of you done this way now? Yes, sir. That is not the correct way. Do you know? Huh? You did it. Then, what did you do? Huh? I was doing that way only. Now he's sending that way. Yeah. Shh. Listen. What's the answer? You looked at, you have the identity. Do you know what is x square A minus tan square A? Only two people know. Sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Do you know what is cosec square A minus cot square A? 1. Do you know how to factorize x square A minus tan square A? Do you know how to factorize x square A minus tan square A? A square minus b square. Do you know how to factorize? What is it? A plus b, A minus b. So sec square A minus tan square A can be Arey, please listen. No need to count the pages and listen when I tell. When I ask you to listen, you will do something. When I ask you to do, you will be listening, looking at it. Now, so you will be sec square a minus tan square a can be factoring as what? Sec a plus tan a into sec a minus tan a. Can you see its opposite is coming? If I cross multiply, what will you get? 1. What? If we cross multiply, what will come? 1. But you are not supposed to cross multiply. These similar sums we have done. LHS equal to sec a minus tan a upon cos sec a plus cot a. You can multiply and divide by sec a plus tan a divided by sec a plus tan a. Second one, cosec a plus cot a means multiply and divide by cosec a minus cot a divided by cosec a plus cot a. Not plus, minus, minus. You can see these two. If you join both of them, what will you get? Sec square a minus tan square a. What is it? 1. If I join these and this one, what will you get? Cosec square a minus cot square a. 1. What is left out? Minus cot a divided by sec a plus tan a. Is it the answer?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Trigonometry, we know, sir, everything. If you are going to do sine and cos, you learn. Now, you want to know from where I took this question? It is solved over there. I every day tell. Teacher said in a textbook. There are questions are there, solved examples are there. Please go through. Are we able to even a single person see this question? Yeah. Now. Look here, the questions, it is not that way. No, we think that it's so complicated. But approach should be, if you are converting into sine and all, you will not get these answers. You will get it so making complicated. Then you can, there are ways are there, but it's a long way. That is why look at the question, identify, apply the identities. So I thought there is no need of giving another question. I thought at least somebody will do the question correct. Earlier I am telling Nerul people do a lot of questions, everyone comes and do the questions on the board. Now they will tell me, sir, don't tell, they will all come to know friends and relatives are there in this. Hello friends, you all are famous over there. Okay now, so take the AP, let's complete at least AP part. Very complicated sum. One more. Whenever you tell me, sir, I revise some chapter or some topic. Okay, next class, you know, anyway, this one, linear equation and quadratic, no. If something revise it, come and give 1 or 2 questions. Okay, quadratic equation to revise, you don't need to do much to revise. What are the things? Conditions. B square, discriminant. So, first is equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Discriminant, the nature of the roots, equal roots, real roots, combination, unequal roots. Then factorization, how you know the method and quadratic formula. What is done? 1 or 2 sums based on that. Take the exercise now. And in equation, what is there to devise? Have we formula learned? Listen. Did you learn the formula I asked you? Did you learn yes or not learn? After 5 minutes again. Okay, exercise you should take it. Started doing? Not started. Okay, read the first question.
How many terms of
AP?
24, 21, 18, etc. must be taken so that the sum is 78.
21, 18, etc. So that the sum is equal to
78.
That means Sn is equal to 78. No?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's already given as an AP.
Yes.
So what is the value of A?
24.
24. A is equal to, it's already given AP, so no need to write. D is equal to T2 minus T1. 21 minus 24. How much?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. And Sn is equal to 78. Are we know the formula? Still not done. So look here. Yes, and you want to hear from someone else? Tell him what is the formula, yes,
N upon 2.
and 2a plus n minus 1 times t. Then 78 is equal to n by 2 into 2 times 24 plus n minus 1 times minus 3. And again, Vishal is searching here and there. What is this today? You keep on paging page. Write fast. Why are you wasting the last page? What? Right there, no? What is the right? Put a line and do it. So, simplify, solve it. It is minus 3. Who is that? Which one? You don't know. Sn, look here, this is the formula. Sn is equal to. Sn means sum of n terms. Do you know what is n? Number of terms. Do you know what is a? First term. Do you know what is d? Last, not last term, common difference. Understood? Today, after the break, who's laughing? You also know. Your friends now? Then after that, what's the answer? Which one? Replace S and Y. Ask first, what's the answer? So, madam, CB, D plus 12 is gone. Dina, it's not wrong, but the previous question you could not do. What? You waiting me to do? Apni, what happened? Let's sleeping on. Prasad, done. So, waiting on. Look here. This last step. Last step.
Yes.
Time over. Are you following anything, Mr. Vishal? Vishal. Are you following? Arey, tell na. Huh. Hey, Bhumi. Bhumi Raj. Are you not following? Sarkar. Why are you looking at him? You're staring him out. Done. 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes. Look here, those who did not get me, first is, hey, keep quiet. Shh. Hey, 2 is multiplied and you get 156 is equal to n into 48 minus 3n plus 3. You can open the bracket, it is 48 plus 3 is 51. N minus 3n square is 156. Therefore, shift it, therefore you will get that this is 3n square minus 51n plus 156 is equal to 0. This page all of you got?
Yes, sir.
Now, immediately you can see, is it divisible by 3?
Yes.
Yes, divide by 3, n square minus 17n plus by 2 is equal to 0. Now, quadratic equation. Split the middle term. 52. Anything can be factorized. Got the answer?
Yes.
Should I do further? Thirteen fours are 52. So n square. There also there. Okay. Minus 13 and minus 4n plus 52 is equal to 0. N minus 13 times n minus 4. N is equal to 13 or n is equal to 4. All of you followed? Have you followed? Did you learn the formula? Steps are followed. All of you, before going to the next question, listen. Completed writing. Difficult now. Prasad, are you okay? No. Completed. What was the question? All of you read that question. Can you read? Found out how many? 400. How many terms of this AP must be added to get the sum is equal to 78? So what are the values you got? N is equal to 4 and N is equal to 13. That means what is the meaning of this one? If 4 terms are adding also it is 78, 13 terms also adding which is equal to 78. How it is possible? 13 from there. From where? Your AP is changing out. AP is changing. So both are possible. How can it be both possible? You are adding 4 terms, sum is equal to 78. Adding 13 terms also sum is 78. Possible? Not possible. So which will be the answer? 4. How do you know? We take 1 by 1 and that. 4 terms we take and that. Then take 13 terms. Both are possible. Reason. Look here. Okay. Is an AP?
Yes.
Is it an AP or not?
Yes.
What is the first term?
8
8. What is the common difference?
minus 2.
Add first 2 terms. How much? 14. Add the entire terms.
14.
Same 14 only or what? Minus 4 and plus 4 is gone. Minus 2 and plus 2 is gone. 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that means sum of 2 terms also is 14. Sum of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terms also is 14. So what is the conclusion then? Why it is? Sometimes you will get explained. Because sum of 5th term to 13th term will be 0. How much is the sum? 0. Because look here also you can see 21, 18, 15 it is will be going and the negative values will come now. Negative and positive will be simplified and you will get us. Understood or not? Are you following? No response.
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Now sometimes you will get in some cases you will get n is equal to 13 and n is equal to 12. Then what is your conclusion? The 13th term will be 0. Anything plus 0 is equal because there is only one term, no? There are sum of 12 terms and sum of 13 terms means the 13th term value will be 0. If it is two different values, this one means from 5th term till 13th term, if you add, their sum will be equal to 0. That is why the answer is equal to both are possible. Both of the cases are possible and it's number of terms and it's a natural number. Shivam followed? Yes or no? Alice, please. Okay, next question, Shivam, read.
Find the sum of all odd natural numbers
All odd natural numbers
less than 50.
less than 50. So, which are the natural numbers less than 50? 1 to 49. 1, 2, 3, 49. Let's tell the sequence now. 1, 2. So, odd numbers are 2 is an odd number.
1, 3, 5, 7.
Right. So, 1. So, right. The sequence of now numbers is 1, 3, 5, etc. till 49. Odd numbers, no? Is it an AP?
Yes.
Yes. What is the formula for it? N upon 2 he reached. Very good. After 5 seconds. Then, there where A is equal to 1, D is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. L is equal to 49. Do we have the value of N? Do we have the value of N? So to find do the Sn means you need N now. So find out N. How do you find out N? Sn equal to L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Replace and get the value of N. We need the both the formula value of N is required now. What is the conclusion? Tell her. The sequence also not written. Nothing is written. Writing. And here you have to write the sequence is an AP also. It's not written that also. The steps right. N is equal to 25. Who got N is equal to 25? Then find out SN. 49. Those who did not get right. 1 plus N minus 1 into 2. That is 49 minus 1 is 48 is equal to N minus 1 times 2. 24 is equal to N minus 1. N is equal to 25. So I write the formula Sn is equal to N by 2 into A plus S. 25 by 2 to 1 plus 49. Add and divide by 2. Are we following? Avi is there? Hello? Are you following? Sure. Answer you got? 625. What is this value multiplying and adding? Sir, no sir. So value when you know you're wrong speaking. Do you have the value when you cross everything? 49 is SN or? No need to do that way. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
And I will do Got it? Vishal is there. Are you following? No need of Google, okay? Vishal blamed everyone is copying from Google. Not everyone, most of them, no? Anybody? You know, dedicated to everything. Okay. What happened, Amni? Okay, now, fine now. Control. Prasad, stand up. Read the message.
First 12 natural numbers, each of which is a multiple.
First 12 natural numbers, each of which is a. Tell me which are the first 12 natural numbers which are multiples of 7. One. Who said that one? Multiple of 7, no?
7, 14, 21, 28.
Please, what is the last one? 84. Is it or not? So write the very good. So write the sequence is 7, 14, 21, etc. Hello. Right. The sequence is this man is sleeping. In between calling, okay. Or sleeping. The sequence of multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, etc. till how many? 84. Is it an AP?
Yes, sir.
Right, it's an AP. Where A is equal to 7. D is equal to 14 minus 7, 7. Then N is equal to 84. Value of N you know. 12 is given now. You don't need to do it. Directly it is given 12. Then you can use the formula Sn is equal to N by 2 times A plus L. Replace, get the value. That's it. Vishal followed.
Yes, sir.
Avi followed. Avi followed. Avi, do we know which chapter we are doing? What is it? Arithmetic equation. Tell what now. Which exercise we are doing, you know? Oh, good. Still sleeping? Morning 7:30 maths. So morning 10:30 shooting physics. So chemistry. Hindi English. So you can sleep more.
Yeah.
Got the answer?
Yes, sir.
654. 12 by 2 into 7 plus 84.
21.
6 into 91. Equal to 6, 4, 5. Then only is it 654 only is it? Okay. Circle standard. That group is now new group is forming. Come here. Next class you will come here. For what?
Sir, next class is going on for the past 5 hours.
Ritu, stand up. Come here. Anyway, you are talking only. Book click. Not book also bring. The next question, do all of you do, don't waste the time. Vishal, what do you say? Come here. Sir, you they can all you mean same thing also, okay? Yeah. Okay. I want to move around. Yeah. It's not a problem, she's down here. Okay. It should be okay, next question. Vaishnavi, done? Done. Next one, 5 after 546, you stop the what is it? What is the next question? Interesting one, who is the one? And the boys answer the question. Very good. First and last term means what? A is equal to A is equal to 34. L is equal to 700. A is equal to 34. Shesa is talking. What's the answer? What fine? A is 34 and L is equal to 700. Common difference is equal to how much? 80. What do you have to find out? N and SN. You need to find out the value of N and SN, okay? Faster the permanent fixture of the
Wait.
one this one. Second, are you following? Almost. This idiot is talking only all the time. Say, what are you doing on the 6 into 6 threes are and 111, then 37. Yes or no? Bracket doing N is equal to 38. Sn is equal to Sriraj, what is going on? Huh? Is something wrong? Nine? What are 90? 19 into 734. Who got the answer? Shesa, what is the answer?
38,946.
38946. All of you got no? 13,000.
13,946.
Okay, thank you. 13,946. Ritu, today you'll do one sum on the board. Not next class, okay? Today this lecture only. Okay, we understand with the next question.
Find the sum of all multiples of 7 lying between 300 and 7.
Can you do it? If you are done, nothing. When he is talking,
But when he said उसको chance नहीं मिल रही है.
You need not getting chance.
Yes,
Should I have this?
She's the inequality. कुछ भी यार.
So don't worry, next question for you. Find the sum of the numbers between 300 and 700 which are multiples of 7. You have to tell, show how did we get the first multiple.
Okay, so as in 300 by 7.
Okay, 300 by 7. Divide. Similar one we have done, no? Remember 87, okay.
So 300 plus 6.
300 plus 6 will not give you answer. Give you 300 plus 300 minus 6. 300 minus 6 is how much? 294. Remainder, remember, always you to subtract. That is below 300, so add 7. 294 plus 7 is how much? 301 now. First drive 301. Then what will be the next one? Etc. 315. Last find out. Same way 700. 700. Should we write 700?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? Read the question.
Between 300 and 700. So below.
Read the question. One of you read the question. Is it between means 700 is included or not? Are you following or not? So it is 700 is not included between. If it is from 300 to 700 means included. Okay now? Are we followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, between means 5 endpoints are not there. So it's an AP return. Therefore, A is equal to 301. D is equal to 7. L is equal to 693. Hope all of you are following.
Yes, sir.
This man other day 4 times came and gone now. Now you will jump from there. I can't travel. Vishal, when are you going to do one question? You know the formula itself now?
Yes.
What is the formula?
N upon 2 n upon 2 in bracket a plus n minus 1 n multiplied by d.
That is wrong. 2a plus. There are two forms are there. This is a plus L. Okay, n by 2 into a plus L or n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Are we taking one when is my chance is coming? As what is the formula for Sn? Plus bracket. If there is no plus bracket. Still not followed. Eraser will not do. 693. Thanks. Sure. One machine pass to the ₹100 more. Okay, ready?
Please start her.
All of you got the answer?
Yes.
Same answer? Very good. Any step, if you have a doubt, please tell. How many got a doubt? What questions are there? Which one? Last question. Yeah. All of you listen here.
सर बकवास कर रहा है.
What did he do? What did he do?
सर he said कि बोर्ड पे तभी कर पाती है जब शिष्ट की बात हो. कुछ भी बोल रहा है. सही.
Vishal,
I didn't even tell you I was doing.
you have not done the sum even. What is A plus D? A 60 and all? Mommy will tell, if I tell do slap, you know, mommy will tell these two what slap. You want to hear? Come. Now, Vishal, you are not studying anything, I am telling you seriously. No, he's studying, yes. Today we will be till 6 o'clock, he will be here. Now, listen, this is done. This type of questions are done.
Yes.
We need more, I'll give more question for practice because it's little more required. Now we are going to do, Dhwani, read the next question.
The sum of n natural numbers is 5n square plus 4n. Find its 8th term.
Sum of n.
Natural numbers is 5n square plus 4n. Find its 8th.
Sum of n natural numbers. When natural number is given, okay, consecutive is not given. Listen here. Sn is equal to, let's say, I am not writing that question, let's say 3n square minus 2n. All of you stop writing and listen. Sn is equal to 3n square minus 2n. Always you will see that if it is an AP, it means it will have an n square term and it will have an n term. There won't be any constant because the formula is like that only, n by 2 multiplied by. So n term and n square term will be there. Do you know what is the meaning of Sn? Sum of n terms. Which are the n terms? T1, T2, not necessarily it's always natural number, okay? That is in that question, I'm not doing that question. Listen, that will come. So T1, T2, T3, etc. till Tn. So Sn means T1, T2, T3, etc. Tn. What is the meaning? Now, do you know what is the meaning of S1? Sum of one term. What is the meaning of S2? Sum of two terms. What is the meaning of S10?
Sum of 10 terms.
Now let's come to this one. What is S1 means sum of one term means what? S1 will be same as T1. What will be S2 will be same as T1 plus T2. What will be S3 will be same as
T1 plus T2 plus T3.
Are you followed? Do you know what will be S3 minus S2? S1. Think and tell. T3. What is the meaning of S3? T1 plus T2 plus T3. What is the meaning of S2? T1 plus T2. If you subtract means T1 and T2 is gone now. What is left out? T3. What is S5 minus S4? T5. What is S10 minus S9?
T10.
T10. Okay, are you followed? So, what will be Sn minus Sn minus 1? Tn. Not followed. Those are not followed. Look here. S2 is equal to T1 plus T2. S3 is equal to what? T1 plus T2 plus T3. Therefore, S3 minus S2 will be, when you subtract these two cancel, what will you get? T3. Same way, S20 minus S19 will be equal to how much? T20. I hope all of you followed. Shivam, okay. Now, Sn minus 1 means what? Tn. This is the formula will come as, okay. So, if you want to find out any particular term, today in this classroom, oxygen is less or what? Oxygen is less in this classroom?
No.
Lot of people are being. Open the window and the sleepless days. Okay. Nights also down. Days are coming sleeping now. Okay. So it is coming. This one formula followed now.
Yes, sir.
Now. So if you want to find out any particular term, you can use this format. So write as a note in the notebook. Right. Sn is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus etc. Tn. Sn is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus etc. Tn. This is a knot. Okay. Then He will be there only. Don't worry. Then next step you write Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Tn will be equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. You will learn all these things, okay? You can write an example. For example, T10 is equal to, what is it? S10 minus S9. Are you followed, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Right, read the question now. What is the question?
Find the sum of n natural numbers is
Find the sum of
the
them.
sum of n natural numbers is 5n square plus 4n.
5n square plus 4n.
Find its eighth term.
Find its eighth term. So we will write first as a formula. We have Sn is equal to Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Eighth term is T8 is equal to S8 minus S7. T8 is equal to S8 minus S7. Do you know how you find out S8? How will you find out S8? Replace n by 8. Therefore, S8 is equal to 5 times 8 square plus 4 times 8.
So can I explain again?
Which step you have not followed?
S8.
S8 means you will replace in Sn wherever n is coming 8. S1 means wherever n is 1. S2 means wherever n is 1. 2. S20 means wherever n is coming 20. Understood or not? Simplify. So, that's it. You know 8 square. How much? 8 square is 8 8. What is 8 8? 56. Very good. 54. Finally, Vishal has to tell you. 64 into 5. Oh, another. Do it here, waiting. Did you write these all things? Cannot. Look here, this is the question. We 5n square. So you will get us here to find out what is S8. How will you get S8? Replace wherever n is coming 8. 5 into 8 square plus 4 into 8. Did you get the answer? Others will do it. Did you write these all? What you did not understand? 8. What is the which term you have to find out? Do you know? Did you read the question? Others will read. No. Eighth term means what? What is the meaning of eighth term? S8. S8 is not eighth term. S8 is sum of 8 terms. What do you mean by eighth term? Eight eights are 54. He said, then how do you know it? S8 means, so it's eighth term means T8. What do you mean by seventh term? T7. What is sum of 8 terms? S8. Sum of 7 terms? S7. Sum of 20 terms? 20th term. Oh, thank you. So, find out S8. All of you got? Now, those who got the answer S8, then find out what is S7. 5 into 7 square. Now, Ritu will ask, how did you get 7? Now, our others will calculate now. I'll wait all this. So, S8 is equal to how much? 352. 352. And S7 is equal to 273. Ritu, copy down. Therefore, T8 is equal to S8 minus S7. That is equal to 352 minus 273.
79.
Are you followed? Listen. Another way also I'll show you. Both are singular forms only. So, this is followed all of you? Now look, we have, stop talking and listen. Sn is equal to 5n square plus 4n it is given. If I put n is equal to 1, so what will you get? S1. S1 is equal to what? 5 into 1 square plus 4 into 1. What is 5? Therefore, S1 is equal to 9. We know that S1 is equal to T1, which is equal to 9. We know what is T1 is same as A. A is equal to 9. Now, if I put n is equal to 2, S2 will be equal to 5 into how much? 2 square plus 4 into 2. Do you know how much? 20 plus 8 is 28. We know that S2 will be equal to how much? T1 plus T2. Now, therefore 28 is equal to T1 is same as A and T2 is same as A plus D. We have the value of this one. How much? 9. Therefore 28 is equal to 9 plus 9. 18 plus D. Therefore D is equal to how much? 28 minus 18. That is equal to 10. Now, therefore you got the value of D, you got the value of A. Therefore, T8 is equal to A plus how much? 7D. Value 9 plus 7 into this is another way to do. Both of them are the same format. This can be applied only for, listen here, this can be applied only for AP. This is the common formula for every sequence. Any sequence, Sn means sum of n terms. Therefore, T8 means sum of 8 terms minus sum of 7 terms. If it is given AP means this is the one. Both of them we can use it in AP. But if it is not AP means we cannot use this way. Are you followed anything? Anything you followed? I am standing over here. Now can you see? I will stand according now from here. I will learn to stand from there. Can you see now? Understand? Understood, my dear friend? Vishal, are you followed? Shivam, followed or not? Shivam, not followed. Which step here? The thing when I do sit over there and look outside, that's why this way. You will sit over here next class onward. Look here, S1 is equal to 9. Do you know what? How did you get S1? Replace n as 1. Replace n we got. S1 is sum of one term, that is T1. That is therefore A is equal to 9. Then S2 means replace n equal to 2. S2 you got. We got S2 is same as sum of two terms, T1 plus T2. T1 is same as A, T2 is A plus D. What's the value of A and simplify? You will be getting the value of D. We have an AP T8 is equal to A plus 7D. Replace, answer you got. Okay, this is second way. Another way, any which that you can do it. Okay now, Daksham, are you followed? Okay, homework was done now. Okay, so this one is clear. Now, write the one question. Find the sum of the numbers between, let's say 400 and 800. Between 400 and 800. Not find, which leaves the remainder 5. Between 400 and 800, which leaves the remainder 5 when divided by 12. Should I repeat the question? Find the sum of the numbers between 400 and 800, which leaves the remainder 5 when divided by 12. Your first thing is you have to get the sequence. You're okay, last other day you no. All this getting the sequence. Reva. do something.
How?
How? Question is done. Anyone, those who don't know how to get the sequence, raise the hand. Paras is talking only. I thought he was laughing. How many got? Yes, I got. What is it? The 400 and divided. Look here. Do you do this one? You just divide 400 by 12. When you divide by 400 by 12, what will you get? 12 3s are 36. And again 3 point. No need of decimal anything. Now we need the remainder should be what? 5 means just add 1. So here 1. Therefore, what is the first number? 401. What will be the next number? Add 12, that is 413. What is the next number? 425. Now in this way, the last number, same way you divide 800 by 12. 790? Last number 797.
Yes.
All of you got?
Yes.
It is coming as 12 6 are 72. 8 again 6. 72. Balance is 8. But we need how much? Remainder should be 5. So you can minus 3. Here also minus 3. 800 minus 3 is how much? 797. So you got the sequence now. Srishti, very good. Are you followed? Hello? Hi. Daily you are sleeping. It's not the first day actually. Yes. Whenever maths like this is there, I see you are sleeping. Night what time you slept? 11. 11 o'clock you slept until 6:30 you slept. That is not enough. You are learning for sleeping only. Afternoon also sleep now. Still he is sleeping. 11 to 6:30 he slept. Still he is sleeping. Huh? 7 o'clock. That's 11 to 7. Huh? That's a baby. Okay, babies are able to sleep only maximum 10 hours. You have to find out Sn. For finding, first you have to find out value of A is equal to how much? 401. D is equal to 12. And N is, last term is 797. Value of N is not there. First you have to calculate N, then only. Completed. After N, you have to find out Sn. Joker, you are like that only, no? Got the value of N?
Yes, sir.
What is the value?
34.
Very good. You did yourself? Very good. D is equal to 12. For Vishal,
Yes, sir, I was not talking. She is only talking to me.
who is talking to you?
Nice joke.
Who is talking to you? She will slap you then. I don't know.
I need
She wants.
Into 12. So n is equal to, you did get, she has done the sum. Very good. What is the value of n? 34. Is it 34 you got?
Yes, sir.
Then Sn. That is 34 divided by 2 into 401 plus 797. Shruti, what is the answer you got? Nothing you are doing. You got the value of n, you got. N also is not good. Hello, madam. 34 you got. That also. Should I do? Subtract these two. So what like it here? 3, 9, 6 is equal to n minus 1 upon. This will divide by 12. 12 3s are. 33 is equal to n minus 1. N is equal to 34. 17 into
1198.
1198. What's the answer you got? 20366. Yes. All of you got that? Followed. Paras. Talking, there is no problem. No? Okay, this one followed. There is exercise over now. Right. Now, what happens? Formula as well, you know? What is the formula? Very good. Finally, you read the formula. Second formula. 1 lecture equals to left to. Then what? 1 day. 10 minutes. Okay. Right. Properties of AP. Properties of AP. Right. First one. 3 terms of an AP can be taken as. First property. 3 terms of AP can be taken as A minus D, A plus D. 3 terms of an AP can be taken as A minus D, A plus D. Did you write? Now, listen carefully. Generally, 3 terms of AP comes as A plus D, A plus 2D. Now, why did we take this one means? When you add all the 3, D will be cancelled and you will get the value of A directly. So when the question is complicated ones, you will one variable will be automatically cancelled and you will get A value directly. Okay. Now, first and foremost thing, check, are they in AP?
Yes.
Are they in AP?
Yes.
Check the difference, D only. What is the first term over here? A minus D. What is the common difference? D. Okay. Now, first term is not A. First term is A minus D. How to take 4 terms of an AP in the same form? A minus S, Sridhar tell.
A minus 2.
Then it will not cancel everything. D will not cancel. No, there is no point. Then instead of that one, you could have taken A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. No. Any others? 4 terms of an AP. Loudly, who said somebody? Tell me. Who is it? Bhatia.
A minus D,
A minus D, A. Then also will it cancel?
A minus D, A minus D.
A plus D, A plus 2D. But are they in AP? You said A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. Are they in AP? Where is A is gone? It's that one, it will not come. Look here. Who said that one? Oh, Prasad, very good. It's given in the book. She read from the book only. Sarkar.
Oh, sir, she loves me a lot. Oh, please.
Oh, and then she said, no. Look at us. Are you followed? Check. Now add 2D with this one. Adding 2D, what will you get? Adding 2D. Adding 2D. Here the common difference is how much? 2D. And what is the first term? Okay, so this is the way to take 4 terms of an AP. You know how to take 5 terms of an AP?
Yes.
That one more you add over here. A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2. Are you following this one? So 3 terms of an AP, right? What is the first term and common difference? 4 terms and 5 terms. Note down all the 3. 3 terms of an AP is this one, where A minus D is first term, D is the common difference. Paras, again, this is the third time I am calling you. You are just sitting and talking only. Wait, I'll find a proper place for you. And fourth, what happened? You will sit on your lap. Then I'll go and sleep. This one. 4 terms. Here write what is the first term and what is the common difference. What is the first term for here? A minus 3D. What is the common difference? 2D. Here what is the first term? A minus 2D. And common difference? Common difference? Common difference is 2D. Here. What is the common difference over here? D. Here. Written all of you?
Yes, sir.
Next property. So these are 3, 4, 5 terms you not know?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Second set of property. If A, B, C are in AP, A, comma, B, comma, C are in AP. Small letters. If A, B, C are in AP. I should write on the words A, B, C are in AP. Then okay, tell Sarkar. Very good. Tell loudly, correct.
C minus
How C minus a jump from here to here?
A minus C.
A minus C. B
A
minus
minus no C minus B is equal to A minus C.
second term minus first term is equal to what? Third term minus second term. Now, right, then B is the right. If A, B, C are in AP, if A, B, C are in AP, then B is the arithmetic mean between A and C. If A, B, C are in AP, then B is the arithmetic mean between A and C. It is for you also. So you write, no need to write. No, started sleeping. Talking means he, so I should be right. B is the arithmetic mean between A and C. Therefore, B is equal to A plus C divided by 2. B is equal to A plus C divided by 2. How did he get means it's direct. B minus A is equal to how much? B minus A is equal to C minus B. Then 2B is equal to how much? A plus C, no? Therefore, B is equal to A plus C by 2. So, in general, or you write, the arithmetic mean between A and B is, what is the arithmetic mean between A and B? A plus B divided by 2. Add and divide by 2. Or instead of A and B, write, arithmetic mean between P and Q is, arithmetic mean between P and Q is P plus Q divided by 2. Arithmetic mean between P and Q is P plus Q divided by 2. Written all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now the question will be coming as there is only one arithmetic mean. Now there are sometimes 2 arithmetic mean, 3 arithmetic mean. Like that you will get. The question will be asking insert, let's say 4 arithmetic mean between 2 numbers. Let's say the numbers are 3 and 7. I need to find out, let's say 5 arithmetic mean between them. How to do this one means we will write 3, A1, A2, A3, how many I said? A4, A5, comma 7 are in AP. Are we following?
Yes,
If you
sir.
want to find 5 arithmetic mean means 3, comma A1, comma A2, A3, A4, A5, A7 are in AP. What is the relation between A1 and 3?
A1
A1 minus
A1 will be equal to 3 plus D. Yes or no?
Yes.
A2 will be equal to 3 plus 2D. A3 is equal to.
3 plus 3.
Then 7 will be equal to
8 plus 16.
3 plus 1, 2, 3. How many D's are there? Plus 6 D is enough or not?
Yes.
Plus D, 2D, 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D. Therefore, can you find out the value of D?
Yes, sir.
6D is equal to how much? 4. D is equal to 4 by 6, which is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, what will be A1? A1 will be 3 plus 2 by 3. How much? 10 plus 11 by 3. Then what will be A2? Plus 2 by 3. Let me finish off it. You're going somewhere? Now we're going now. Down. Oh, somebody is waiting. So 11 by 3 plus 2 by 3. How much? 13 by 3. So write down this one. Did you write the arithmetic mean? Write. Write in the book. You close? Open the book. Write, open the book and write down. Are you packing also done? If A1, A2, capital letters write. If A1, A2, A3 are 3 arithmetic means, if A1, A2, A3 are 3 arithmetic means between A and B, small a and small b, then A comma A1, A2, A3 comma B are in AP. If A1, A2, A3 are 3 arithmetic mean between small letter A and B, then these sequence is in AP. So if the question is find 3 arithmetic mean, this is the way to do. Or find next class after the break we will give question or exercise it is there questions. Find 3 arithmetic mean, find 4 arithmetic mean. Yes. Go for break. Phone will not be given to you. You need money. Money is the phone. Only money.
नहीं आ अरे अंदर बैठ रहा Going to the